NIP Health Insurance Australia app. The pros, the cons. The NIP Health Insurance Australia app is designed to make managing your health coverage fast, simple and convenient. Most users think it's only for viewing policy documents, but it also allows you to submit claims, track reimbursements, manage premiums and access wellness resources directly from your phone. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to policy details including coverage limits, plan types, and beneficiary information. Claims submission is straightforward with clear, step-by-step instructions, and supporting documents or receipts can be uploaded directly from your device. Premium payments are easy to manage with both one-time and recurring options. Push notifications alert users about claim progress, upcoming payments, and policy updates. The interface is clean and intuitive, making navigation simple for all users. Additionally, the app offers wellness features and preventive health tips to support a proactive approach to health management. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when accessing detailed claim histories. Advanced tools like cost estimators, coverage comparisons, or long-term planning features are not included, which may limit comprehensive management. In conclusion, the NIP Health Insurance Australia app is a practical and reliable tool for managing health coverage. While it doesn't include advanced planning tools, it efficiently handles claims, payments, and policy monitoring, keeping users informed and in control. For anyone looking to simplify health insurance management, this app delivers solid value.